Hello Sagittarians, welcome to the extras, and as the name suggests, they are extra readings for you or extra messages for you just to see that if they can help some of the Sagittarians out there. And as the other readings, they are also general messages. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the extra messages for Sagittarians. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Sagittarians. Yeah. Sagittarius, what I feel here is that you've taken charge of something. You are feeling victorious and you are happy about something, and you are sort of managing something. It's something like that, as if you've been administrating something or managing something. But the thing here is that you are a bit cold and very guarded in your approach, very straightforward though, but quite cold also. You're coming off like that. But definitely you are feeling victorious. There is some sort of a promotion either which has come up, or there is some reason to be happy about. Definitely there is some reason to be happy about, and that has come after you have taken sort of your power back. Either you have been selected or being victorious over something, you have a reason to celebrate, or it can be that the moment you've taken your power back, the moment you realized your self-worth, that you feel more happy now. It can be that also. But what I feel here is as if you are moving towards something. What I feel is, it's sort of relocation or traveling in some way, shape or form. That's what I'm getting. Or there is some sort of a journey which seems to be there. And with the World card, there is an ending and a beginning. Definitely there is some sort of an ending and a beginning also. You're emotional about something, and with the Ten of Cups, there is a wish fulfillment, and with the Six of Cups, there is reconciliation. So what I feel here is, again and again, that's what I'm getting, that you are as if you're traveling to reconcile with somebody, or maybe you are traveling to meet someone, perhaps going home, sort of. There is some sort of reconciliation which is coming up, and this is something which I feel has come up once you have withdrawn from that situation, whatever it was, taken your power back. You became a little cold towards that situation. Okay, and after that, maybe you or the other person realized your worth, sort of. But there is somebody here who feel victorious, feels happy, and is, what I see here is that this person is traveling. Again and again, I'm getting that fact, or at least you feel the need to do that. It can be an emotional journey, if not necessarily a physical journey. It can be an emotional journey also, that you feel like reaching out to that person, and that is what you want to do. But you are going towards someone, definitely moving towards someone whom you are emotional about. And here from the Queen of Swords, and that is the change which is coming now, that after you have taken your power back, you feel like, or you or the other person feels like reconciling with you, sort of. And that is the ending of one thing and beginning of the new chapter of your life. And here from the Queen of Swords, you're becoming the Queen of Cups, which is quite emotional. Okay, so it can be that this is what you showed to the person, that you're the Queen of Swords, very cold and that, but deep within you have the emotions. And once you realize that, you take a journey, or the other person takes a journey to for this emotional fulfillment with the Ten of Cups. It's family, it is commitment. Okay, and this is definitely a reconciliation. But okay, and here with the Knight of Wands, somebody is very very passionate, very passionately moving towards you, or you moving towards them with the Two of Wands. Again I see ready to embark on a journey, trying to balance the situation. So maybe this is a reconciliation which is coming up to balance something which was perhaps imbalanced before, and that is why you became a Queen of Swords. Okay, maybe this person didn't realize your worth at that time, and that is what you thought. You withdrew from that person, and then suddenly at the moment you withdrew, the other person realized your worth, and then, or you realize their worth. It can be anything, and there is a reconciliation you want to move towards very fast. And you want to balance the things after this reconciliation. Maybe you need to talk to that person, maybe you want to be with them, talk to them face to face, or whatever it is. It is, these are just all energies. If it is not an actual travel, then it can be an emotional journey, and you may even connect on phone or online or whatever it is. But definitely it is talking about getting back to somebody you have not talked to perhaps since a long time. Definitely talking about reconciliation and balancing of the situation. And here with the Seven of Clubs, it is a struggle to stay ahead. So there was perhaps when you broke up, or whatever had happened in the past, it was because of there was a tough competition. Perhaps there were arguments, perhaps there was a competition, maybe you were at the same workplace, it can be anything, but there was some sort of struggle between you two. But here with the Sun card, happiness is coming back, happiness is there for you, Sagittarians. It's a beautiful energy, it's a beautiful energy. It is a reconciliation which is bringing you a lot of happiness. I'm so happy for you, Sagittarians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.